meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, Pete and I keeping a close eye on some moisture headed our way. It's one of those situations where initially it starts off as rain, changing over to snow, and then it's really out of here by mid to late morning tomorrow. So if you don't like snow, the good news in all of this is that a huge storm or major accumulations unlikely. But check out live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. It is quiet. Heading out this evening, go ahead, fine. I mean, no problems. Whether you're running some errands and doing some shopping, it looks pretty good. Later on this evening, I do expect some raindrops, and then much later tonight, in fact, well after midnight, the colder air will come in and we'll start to see the rain change over to snow. It's a quick system. In fact, I would say the shut-off time, 9 o'clock in the morning, boom, it's gone. But the early morning commute, now I'm talking 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, some leftover wet snow. The interstates, you know, Route 95, 195, 495, they will be wet and not white or snow covered, so the temperatures will be marginal. And then by mid-morning, it's out of here. We'll be setting up for a colder but dry weekend. I'll show you that 7-day Futurecast. Mostly cloudy, 47 degrees right now. We'll call this mild as far as making snow. It's just too warm to snow right now. South breeze at 6, relative humidity coming in at 58%. Temperatures now upper 40s to 50 in Coventry and upper 40s along the South Shore, westerly now at 48 degrees. Developing storm system now offshore, but behind it, you see the shield of moisture expanding through the mid-Atlantic right now, and this is the moisture headed our way for later on this evening. Green is the rain, so initially it's the rain, and then we get into this blue, which is the snow much later tonight. Futurecast shows us very well. We're just going to step you through it hour by hour, starting off right about now with increasing clouds. And then notice the first raindrops arriving later on in the evening after 10 o'clock and certainly by midnight. See the snow to our north and west? Here we are at 3 o'clock in the morning, north and west of Providence. It's already snowing. South and east of Providence, it is still raining. 6 o'clock in the morning, most areas, with the exception of perhaps the lower part of the bay and Cape Cod, it is moderate snow. Temperatures colder at that time. And then most of this is out of here by 8, 9 o'clock. In fact, you start to see the clearing from west to east. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's sunny and chilly, and then clear, brisk, and colder for your Friday evening and Friday night. How much snow by 8 o'clock in the morning? Not a whole bunch. The coastline, very little, if any. Further inland, anywhere from a coating to an inch, and that includes the Providence metro area. Go north and west of Route 295, the northwest hills, let's say from Cumberland, the northwest corner of the state, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of snow. That's where the winter weather advisory is in effect. So snow early. By late morning, the sun is coming out, and then during the afternoon, it's a bright but chilly day with temperatures in the lower 40s. The threat tracker is low this evening. It is in the moderate category for tomorrow morning, but mainly early in the morning. Early snow, 34 to 38. I would allow for some extra travel time through at least say 8 o'clock in the morning. Thereafter, we're looking okay. Saturday, not bad, though. It's a lot colder with a high of only 40. It's dry and chilly on Sunday. Next storm system Monday. If you don't like snow, you're loving this. It's in the form of rain with temperatures in the 40s. Some of the coldest air of the season right now is scheduled for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Daytime highs only in the upper 30s. Just some common sense tomorrow morning. A little extra travel time.
I don't know about you guys, but I'd say cold rain is way worse than snow.
I don't like any of it.
Well, that's true. Thank you for that. All right. More coverage you can count on still ahead on Eyewitness News Live at 5. A Massachusetts community is outraged after a heated meeting over a controversial cigarette sales ban is abruptly called off.